Hello friends and children, welcome back to my channel Inaki Channel. In the previous videos, already we have seen phonic sound of each alphabet letters. In today's video, we will see how to write two-letter words with the help of vowels, that is A, E, I, O and U. Friends and children, when two different letters come together, it makes sensible word. So let's start with two-letter words. Let's move to the next vowel, that is vowel U. Let's see examples and how we can write two-letter words with the help of vowel U. So friends, here I have written 5 examples which is based on vowel U. Let's start from the first. U, S, us. As I told you, U is a vowel. So it has two sounds, A and U. A and U. Here, phonic sound of letter U is A and phonic sound of letter S is S. So, A, S, us, A, S, us. Next one is U, N, un. Phonic sound of letter U is A and phonic sound of letter N is N. When it comes together, it becomes the letter un. A, N, un. A, N, un. The next example is U, M, U, M, Phonic sound of U is A and phonic sound of M is M. So, A, M, A, M, A, M, Next letter is U, P, up. Phonic sound of letter U is A and phonic sound of letter P is Pa. A, Pa. Up, A, Pa, up. So, last example of vowel U. Phonic sound of letter U is A and phonic sound of letter H is H. U, H, H. So, these are the examples of vowel U. Let's repeat these examples. U, S, us. A, S, us. U, N, un. A, N, un. U, M, A, M, U, P, up. A, P, up. A, P, up. U, H, A, A. These were the examples of vowel U. दोस्तों, जो मेरे वीडियोस को पहली बार देख रहे हैं, प्लीज मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए एंड जो वीडियोस पहले से देखते आ रहे बट मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, प्लीज आप सभी भी मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए। यदि आपको मेरे वीडियोस पसंद आ रहे हैं तो प्लीज उसे लाइक करिए। ये लाइक मुझे मोटिवेट करता है न्यू वीडियोस बनाने के लिए। टिल देन, कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग, rewatch my videos, stay home, stay safe, happy learning and bye-bye.